What's up, fellow Martians? Did you just build a new PC and not really sure what to do next? Well, I'm here to show you how to install either Windows 11 or 10 on your brand new PC quick and easy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and let's go. First, all you're gonna need for this process is a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, a PC or a laptop with access to the internet, and of course, your brand new PC. Got that? Perfect. Now, let's go to your PC with access to the internet or your laptop and go to your browser of choice. It can be Google, Opera GX, Internet Explorer, Firefox, whatever. It doesn't matter. Next, you want to type in download Windows 10 or 11, whatever you prefer. And you want to scroll down until you see this exact link. It should say download Windows 10 or download Windows 11. Once you see this link, you want to click on it. And then on the website, you'll see a link that says create media installation. Click on it. Click on the setup window that will appear in the top right hand corner of your browser. And then once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. It should say something like creating the setup or creating files. But once you see this, you then want to go ahead and plug in your USB drive because this is where all the files you're downloading from this website are going to be downloaded to. Now you're going to want to set the terms and conditions. And then once you get to this page right here, you're going to want to change this setting from the update to create a media installation file. These next options you can keep the same. And then it'll prompt you to where you want to download the files. Select USB and then select your USB device. After this, it'll download the software, which may take a minute, but since I have the power of editing, I can just do this. So now that it's done, you simply want to take your USB drive out of your PC and then put it into any USB port that's in your new PC you just built. Upon turning your PC on, it will boot from the USB drive and you should see a Windows logo pop up on your monitor. Now from here, you want to pick your region and your language, press next, and then install now. Now here, it's going to ask you for a product key, but if you don't have one, just simply click I don't have one. And you can buy one later for a lot cheaper, for like $20 off of G2A or other third-party websites. Next, it's going to give you an edition to choose. For me, I like to do Windows 10 Pro Edition, but you can choose whatever you have for your particular version. I recommend Pro because it's hard to choose Home and then try to upgrade to Pro. It just doesn't work like that. So, choose your edition, and then next is set the terms and conditions. And since we're not updating the computer, we're going to be choosing custom here. Choose where you want to download the installation files, and bam, it's going to install Windows to this hard drive or SSD of your choice. After that, give it some time, your PC will reboot, and your Windows will be fresh and installed on your new computer. From here, you can either choose to activate Windows, or if you don't mind the watermark, just leave it there. It's not hurting you. And yeah, guys, this is how to easily install Windows 10 or 11 to your freshly built PC. I know I've been gone for quite a minute, but you're back, and I'm here to bring you some more PC building content, tips, and tricks. So like, share, like, and subscribe, share this with a friend who needs this, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions for me. And who knows, I may make a video on it. See you guys next time, and this has been an easy PC tip from Marco the Martian. Peace.